Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix app as not available in your country on any iPhone. How to fix this problem? uh, I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. This problem will be fixed rather than click on ID and then click on media and purchase and then click on view accounts and then wait a few seconds. Then you will show on a screen country region. Change the country region and then you will be click on country region and then you will be showed United States, Arab Emirates. Then you should be have change and country and your problem will be fixed. Network issue, then click on country region and then waiting for a few seconds, then show the country and there change country or region and then fix you should be want and then you have this country, then IME code and IMMC and then phone number and your problem will be done and 100% working. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.